Today our topic of discussion will be on using of is, am, are, was, where. That means where we have to use the auxiliary verbs is, am, are, was, where, shall, will. I am, he is, they are. He is, that means he, singular person. One person is there, person is one, he or she. Then we shall use is. He is. And again, they are. They means it is plural. When there will be plural something, then when there will be matter of plural, we shall use are. You are. Now you see, you. Sometimes you can be taken singular. When it will be singular, then also it will be placed are. There will be placed are. There will be placed are. And when we are using you, the are is being used. Are. So let's repeat this one. I am. They are. We are. You are. He is. You in the plural are. In the singular also are. She is. It is. When we shall use it, is will be there. THIS, this. Is will be used. THESE, these. These and this. This and these. These. That means plural numbers are there. So are will be used. Those. Are will be used. Plural number. That. It is singular. Is will be used. Any name, John, any name if you can see, then after the name you will use is. So after the name is there, then it is there, he is, she is, only in the singular. And when it will be doubled, then are will be used. I was, we were, same thing. Plural were, where will be there, and single was will be there. This is the process. He was, she was, you were. In the plural form you were, in the singular form you were. We were, they were, I was. Okay, was and were you have learned. And this is the auxiliary verbs. Remaining the auxiliary verbs shall, will, must, can, so many auxiliary verbs are there. We shall be discussing on the next sessions. These are very common things we are to use, and we are to know the frequency of using the auxiliary verbs, how these are to be used in a proper place. You have learned from this session, and I'll be again I want all of you to thank you for appreciating my sessions, and I love you all, and I'm really thankful to you that you are supporting these sessions and learning something from these sessions. And be with me, I'll be with you, and we will make the difference somehow in our learning and make our learning enjoyable more and more.